Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Instagram message request. If users you don't follow send you a message, the text message will go directly to your message request. It's easy to see the message request on Instagram, and you can also block their account from the same screen. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. From your home screen of Instagram, go and tap on the messenger icon near the top right corner. Now this will display your direct messages. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see your message requests, which will indicate the number of message requests you've received. Tap it on, and this will take you to the page where you have received all the messages from the users you don't follow on Instagram. When people you don't follow on Instagram send you direct messages, their message will appear in this page. Click open any message, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see several options. You can either accept a message, delete the message, or block the contact. Remember that the message requests aren't marked as seen unless you accept it. Tap accept in order to respond to a message from the bottom right corner. If you tap on delete, the message will disappear from the screen. If you tap on block at the bottom left corner, you can either block the account or report the user. If you want to get rid of all of the messages that you have received, you can tap on delete all at the bottom of the screen, and you'll be able to permanently delete all the chats under your message requests. In the pop-up, tap on delete in order to get rid of the messages. That is how you can easily find your Instagram message requests. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.